Now we will be talking some layouts in depth. As you can see in my activity layout file, my root linear layout or the main linear layout has an ID activity main. So I can get a reference to it. And now let us see how we can add layout elements dynamically during runtime. So basically I create a new linear layout, rename it as linear layout, then layout 2, which is the name of the new linear layout I'm creating, and I use a new constructor space the name of the new layout element that I'm having. Remember, I have imported this, but you may have to import this and you may get many options, so you need to import the correct option every time. Then pass the context that is currently this or my calculator dot class context into this, so it will create a new linear layout object. Now that I can create the new linear layout object, I can call the set layout params method to set the style properties of this new linear layout I've created. So I'm setting its params to match parent and wrap content. I'm setting the width and the height to these properties, and you must use linear layout or layout params or wrap content, as these are the basic formats that a linear layout constructor in Android is familiar with. Otherwise this will result into an error. You can also check out anything by just pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and then navigating to the property that you want to view. As you can see, you can also view the property along with some small documentation which is there. Then when I have done this, I can also call the set orientation method, as this is a linear layout, and click set it to vertical by using linear layout.vertical method. Remember, it is always safer to use these kind of properties or variable names, as Android programming may change, but this will remain as standard. If you use hard-coded strings, then it may be difficult for you to gain progress. As currently, you can also pass this 1, as the vertical in variable in linear layout is currently equated to 1. So you can, if you pass 1 in this set orientation, it won't matter now, but it may change later on. Finally, when you have constructed a new linear layout or any other layout element for that course, you can actually add it to another layout. Here I have taken the main linear layout of my Android activity into the parent variable, then I call parent or add view layout 2, which is the layout we just created. So this is how we add layouts elements to our layout. So we are basically adding layout elements to our layout, which is currently inflated on the user screen dynamically during runtime from our code.